Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to do a unicorn. So for Sammy's Valentine's Day, they had to decorate it like an animal or something with that boxes, and she has decided to do a unicorn. So let me show you in the next slide all the things that you need, and then I'll show you step by step. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe and hit the like button. That's it, that's Sammy. That's both Sammy.
Mommy, I'm gonna try my teachers and my post Sammy.
Yeah, you spelled Sammy.
Yeah, S-A-M-M-A-I. Sammy.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mommy, Sammy, my favorite part.
Nice.
Mommy can walk. Mommy can walk. I didn't know that. Hey, Mommy, my put a woody bacon carrot food. This one looks pretty. Hey, Mommy, I want a big circle. Big circle?
Oh, Mommy. Decoration.
Oh, I love it. Actually, something.
Sure.
I'm gonna put it on the next file. Yeah, that's pretty.
That looks pretty. Yep.
Then, hey, Mommy, I can put the pink crayon together. See? Oh, that's a nice deal. I might put Yaya with it. And put what this one again? This one. This one.
A square? Oh, that's a silver? look pretty.
I want a big one. I want this one.
Yeah, I mean, you can always feel safe doing that, you know, if you're on our website.
Nice, mommy.
Well, yeah, I guess that's social. You say you put all zeros?
Mommy, me no put it there, okay? And some. What happened? Oh. Now, it's pretty.
Perfect.
Perfect. And then I need some hearts. Some hearts. Purples. Mommy. Mommy needs some. I use a lost. I use a llamas. You can talk. I know you can talk. Hello. Mommy, going over there. I get some way. Oh, have some. I found some. Mommy, that's one on the ground, and I'm gonna pick it up. So I got this one. Be quiet. There we go. Ow! Look! And then we need some tickle socks on top of them. Tickle hearts. Some tickle hearts.
Tickle hearts.
And some red, big red. Some big red. And next, let's go on here.
That's soft.
And then I need some.
Oh, okay.
So hey, you touching my dress? And then some yellow. Next. Oh, that's pretty.
Perfect.
Mommy, no dog. What's three clothes? Mommy, any growing mouth and eyes and eyebrows. Mom.